Okay, number 11 says find the x and y intercepts, then graph 5x minus 6y equals 30. Again, in order to find the x-intercept, I put in 0 for y. So I got 5x minus 6 times 0 equals 30. 6 times 0 is 0, so I bring down the 5x equals 30. Divide both sides by 5, I get x equals 6. So I go to the x-axis to 6, put a dot. The y-intercept, I put in 0 for x. So 5 times 0, which is 0, went away. Minus 6y equals 30. Since it was minus 6y, I have to bring it down as a negative 6y. Then divide both sides by negative 6. So y equals negative 5. So my y-intercept, I go down to negative 5 on the y-axis, put a dot, connect them. 12. Write the equation of a line with the slope of negative 2 over 5 and a y-intercept of 5. Again, we make our checklist where we need m and b. It tells me the slope is negative 2 over 5 and the y-intercept is 5. So they give me the whole entire checklist. So then I plug it back into y equals m, which is negative 2 over 5, x. B is positive 5, so I put a plus 5. 13 is WEL with rate, so we want to make our checklist. We want to find the rate and current value, and then plug into y equals the rate x plus current value. It says an IU booster bought 120 tickets in 1975. He has since bought 5 tickets per year. Again, the per year tells us that's our rate, so that's 5. He had already bought 120 tickets, so that's our current value. This 1975 is just extra information. So I put into y equals the rate, which is 5, x plus current value. But now it says write an equation of a line for the number of tickets t over y years. So again, this is what we're counting, so that's what I replace where the y is. So it becomes t equals, he buys 5 per year, so the y goes next to the 5, plus 120. 14. Write the equation of a line in y equals mx plus b form for the line that passes through 4, negative 8, and a slope with a slope of negative 2. So they give me a point, and they give me the slope. So m is negative 2. Then they give me an x and a y. So I can plug that information into y equals mx plus b. Negative 8 is the y, equals negative 2 is the x, or sorry, negative 2 is the m. X is 4 plus b. Negative 8 equals negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 plus b. So I add 8 to both sides and I get b equals 0. Since b equals 0, you don't have to put it at the end, but if you wanted to, you could have written y equals negative 2x plus 0. Just understand you don't have to because it's 0.